How to make an impact as a leader. An impact is a marked effect or influence on someone or something. And as a leader, I think we have a great opportunity to have an impact, a significant impact. What we want is those folks who work within our team, within our organisation, and with, perhaps from outside, with our team, with our organisation, to be energised by the experience. As a leader of a not-for-profit, clearly we're making the world a better place in some way, shape or form, because there'll be some kind of beneficiaries of our not-for-profit. Design thinking operates beyond the logical constructs of what we put in place. Maybe it's slightly less clear-cut, we might think, if we lead a for-profit business, a for-profit organisation, an organisation where shareholders have invested in our business and they're looking for a return. But I think we can make that work as well. If we think about carefully the environment that we choose to lead in, the more energized we are, the more enthusiastic we are, the more likely we're going to deliver fantastic results. The easiest way to make a return potentially for shareholders is to operate in an environment where we have a tailwind. We're operating in a market or a sector where there's a wave and we ride the crest of that wave. And typically where most folks or many folks are quite interested in a particular service or product or solution or idea is where that solution, product, idea is going to make the world in some way, shape or form a better place. If our solution, product, service, experience, if that's seen in some way to not be making the world a better place, we're going to encounter more resistance. We're going to face headwinds rather than enjoying the benefit of tailwinds, or maybe we're going to be buffeted by sidewinds. Our life is going to be harder. It's going to be harder to make a return for our shareholders. It's going to be harder to make an impact as a leader. So to make an impact as a leader, I think in a for-profit organisation, I think the first piece is, in an ideal world, we're operating in an environment where we have some kind of tailwind. We're in a market where many people are interested because this market, this product, this solution, this experience is making the world a better place. How consciously do we think about the feeling that we're trying to create in our organisation?